Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something all blonde, bleached, and silver-haired beauties can appreciate. The L'Oreal Paris EverPure sulfate-free brass toning purple shampoo and conditioner set. If you've struggled with brassy, yellowish tones creeping into your color-treated hair, this might be the solution you've been looking for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. This kit includes 2 products designed to hydrate and neutralize those unwanted brassy tones that can ruin your perfect blonde or silver hue. Infused with hibiscus and a rich purple dye, the duo works to refresh and tone while also deeply moisturizing your hair. The best part? They're sulfate-free, so they won't strip your hair of its natural oils. When it comes to using the shampoo, it's super straightforward. Lather it into wet hair and let it sit for up to 2 minutes to really let the purple dye do its magic. Follow it up with the conditioner, and you'll notice your hair feeling softer and more hydrated than ever before. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I can honestly say it has helped my blonde tones stay cooler and more natural without any of that dreaded brassiness creeping back. Now, let's talk performance. On the positive side, the shampoo and conditioner have a lovely scent and a creamy, rich texture that makes application feel luxurious. I also noticed that my hair wasn't left feeling dry or stripped, which is always a risk with some toning products. The purple pigment in the shampoo does exactly what it promises. It neutralizes yellow and orange undertones, leaving my hair looking fresh without looking overly ashy. That being said, there are a couple of things to consider. If you have very pale blonde hair, you might want to be careful with how often you use the shampoo. The purple dye is potent, and while it's great for fighting brassiness, overuse could result in a cooler tone than you want. So moderation is key here. Also, while it does hydrate, if you're someone with super dry hair, you might still want to add in an extra deep conditioning treatment once in a while. The value for money here is solid. You're paying for a reputable brand with high-quality ingredients that work well on color-treated hair. And while you could find other toning shampoos out there, L'Oreal's EverPure line stands out with its focus on moisture and its sulfate-free formula. Sure, there are cheaper alternatives, but in terms of performance and ingredient integrity, it's hard to beat the combination of affordability and effectiveness this set offers. As for longevity, I've been using the duo 2 to 3 times a week as suggested, and the bottles still have plenty left, which makes it feel like a good investment. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. It's easy to squeeze out just the right amount of product, and the bottles are sturdy enough to hold up to daily use. If you've had any issues with customer service, I've found L'Oreal to be quite responsive. They're a big brand, so they have a solid reputation for addressing any questions or concerns promptly. But in my case, I haven't needed to reach out. The product speaks for itself. In terms of alternatives, if you find this duo a bit on the pricier side, there are some budget-friendly options available. For example, the Shimmer Lights shampoo and conditioner by Clairol offers similar toning benefits at a lower price point. However, it might not hydrate as well as L'Oreal's EverPure, so it's all about weighing what's most important to you, price or performance. To wrap it up, L'Oreal Paris EverPure sulfate-free brass toning purple shampoo and conditioner set is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to keep their blonde or silver hair in check. The shampoo neutralizes brassiness, while the conditioner keeps your hair hydrated. It's a solid product with a few minor things to keep in mind, but overall, it's a great option for maintaining a cooler tone. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.